Dear children, respected parents, सबको नमस्कार. I am here to share few words on behalf of Vice Principal and Headmistress Madam and Kendriya Vidyalaya Anna Nagar as a whole. You are all aware the prevailing situation. Due to this pandemic, all the routine processes, our routine works have come to grinding halt. However, as an academician, as a sportive learner, we all of us to take the situation as a blessing in disguise. Wherever the problem comes, a solution is also will be there round the corner, and that should be explored out. On the line, I'd like to talk to you for a few more minutes. I know due to the lockdown, due to the social distancing and all the problem associated with this pandemic, we have to adopt a new situation and we have to learn to live with the current situation. I know as a parent, you got a great constraints and the school also facing the same. For instance, the children, they come to school during our routine work, they have the face-to-face learning. Now the children are compelled to learn from home. And right now we are using the different apps which are available in the electronic market. Whatever suits the particular teacher, they are given freedom to choose. But I know the problems are pouring in. At the same time, let me request all the parents. For the past 50 years, we have been accustomed to work in a very scheduled classroom atmosphere, and all of a sudden, we are forced to jump into the virtual arena. Yes, we don't deny we have to, and we are fully committed and determined to cope up with that. But still, the problem cannot be sorted out overnight. So, though we have begun the classes from 22nd June 2020 onwards, the teachers and the children and even parents, they message me through WhatsApp or the mail expressing their problems. So, let me request all of you, let us begin with the available apps or the electronic gadgets, whatever available, we will just move towards. We have set the ball into motion, and I request the parents to cooperate with us. But I want to insist and I want to assure you that very soon, we will find a suitable app, a single app on the single roof, what we can accommodate the entire school. We are trying our best. At the same thing, there is one more complaint I received. The teachers, the particular teachers who were teaching their children are not attending. Some other teachers are handling the subjects. This is nothing but the availability of teachers. Some teachers are stationed outside and they have not yet joined the duty. Secondly, they are in the remote places where they are not able to join the children alive. And other reasons, technical reasons are there, due to which we have requested some other teachers to replace them. But soon, as I said earlier, soon everything will be very normal and we will get back to the rail. As I said, right now we are conducting the sessions in the morning. 3 sessions we have conducted, we plan to conduct, each of them spreading out to 40 to 45 minutes, and enough recess timing is there between, so the children also can take the break and they can learn very effectively. But still, some concerns some parents expressed, if 2 or 3 children are in the same family and they are not able to use their mobile phone simultaneously, that problem also we are trying to solve it. Maybe the sessions for the primary and the higher secondary can be kept at in the morning, and the secondary classes may be conducted in the afternoon. So we are discussing among the teachers and the experts how this problem can be solved. We are in touch with the other principals of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan in Chennai region as well as in other regions and our headquarters also. And I want to intimate you, inform you, our headquarters, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan also trying its best to start a TV channel. This is not a confirmed news, but the proposal is there. They are going to start a TV channel for the learning purpose, and the same stage of system can be disseminated, and we also may get such facility. All the efforts are on because we don't think that the normal classes may be resumed very soon, and it will going to be a continuous process hereafter. And keeping in mind all the problems, I want to assure you that all the children will be accommodated under one roof and one gadget, which is very cost effective, that I assure you. Secondly, how we can reschedule the classes suiting to the children so that they can learn hassle free without any difficulty. So at this hour of crisis, I earnestly appeal to you, please stand by with us and support our efforts and ensure that the children are learning it, because children are not got with the new situation, are accustomed to learn from the online mode. So please encourage your children, make them serious, at least the very few 3 periods we call it, or 3 dual sessions, you make ensure that they are all very attentive to learn from the classes, because I may not be able to again compensate, or again we cannot recapitulate such things which are taught in the online mode when they come back to routine classes. Some children may be under the impression that if we miss it, again the topic may be taught. But keeping in mind the time constraint, I can advocate, I can appeal to you, please make your children very serious. At least the sessions when the teachers teaching through the online mode, they should learn, and whatever the assignments, I requested my teachers to give very meticulous, very planned homeworks or assignments. Please ensure that they are all attending to that. So apart from that, again I may talk to you when we get chance through the online mode, or if possible when the normalcy returns we meet again. How to go about all these things, how to teach the children, that we will discuss with you, and all your valuable suggestions and comments. Primarily you can post to the class teachers email ID. I have requested my teachers to create a dedicated email ID to receive such grievances, the complaints or suggestions. And if at all it is not solved, you can send to our school email ID, provided if at all not solved at the class teachers level. So thank you. I once again appeal all of you to support this work. Second, I earnestly appeal to all our children to safeguard themselves, to ensure that they are all practicing the norms and the government issues from time to time. Let it be washing hands, maybe wearing the mask, maybe maintaining the social distance, etc. And you should dare and you should win the COVID-19. So once again, I thank you very much for the patient listening to this video. Jai Hind, God bless you.